So what's up guys, welcome back to Genius Tech, and today we are going to unbox and share initial impressions of Samsung Galaxy M31s. So let's get started. The M31s costs about 19,499 and goes all the way up to 21,499. Out of the box we get some pamphlets and also a SIM ejector tool within it. Let's keep them aside, and now comes the phone. Let's keep that also aside. Moving further inside the box, we get a power brick of 25 watts. That is a very good thing that Samsung has bundled inside the box, and also a Type-C end-to-end cable, which is also another good thing that they have bundled inside the box. Now moving on to the phone has a very glossy gradient finish, as it has some silver, grey and blackish layers on it. That's a very good color option that the Samsung has opted. So now we will just boot up the device and see what are the specifications of it. So now talking about the display is an Infinity O Super AMOLED display, which is a very good for multimedia consumption, and also it comes with a wide-line L1 support. Now coming to the battery of M31s, it has a huge 6000 mAh battery which can last you of about 2 days with a heavy work. Yeah, 2 days. I also told you that it comes with a 25 watts charger, and also the reverse charging is also possible in this smartphone. The processor in this smartphone is Exynos 9611, which is an octa-core processor which clocks up to 2.3 GHz. This processor is very good for handling your daily tasks, and also it's very fast, but while coming to the gaming, it's somewhat not so good. But yeah, you can play games in it. The phone also comes with two colors, Mirage Blue and Mirage Black. Now coming to the phone's physical overview, on the top we have a noise cancelling microphone. At bottom we have a 3.5mm jack, Type-C port, a speaker and also a microphone. On the side we have a power button and also volume rockers. On the other side there is SIM ejector tool where we can put two SIMs and also micro SD card. All three we can put. As the fingerprint is on the power button, it is very fast and accurate, and also the Samsung UI is also pretty snappy. The main selling point of this smartphone are cameras, I must say. It comes with a 64 megapixel primary camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide 120 degrees camera, and one 5 megapixel macro and one 5 megapixel depth sensor. While coming to the front camera, it is 32 megapixels. Now let's take a look at some of the pics. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We make much more content like this. Thank you and have a nice day.